What's up guys, it's Desert Bug out again. I have a video about my little half scale. It's actually 2.05 scale, but I mean basically little bit off from half scale. But these are the Sig Sauer P226. These things, just a heads up, they went extinct for a little while, so I don't know if they're gonna go extinct again or not. But as soon as I saw them for sale, I had to get the black and the silver one. The silver one I had never seen. No, the black one I had never seen before. When I was looking before they came back, I had seen the silver ones, but we didn't really have access to them. But anyways, I had seen the silver ones, but I had never seen the black ones, so I think the black ones came out recently. Anyhow, these are super cool. One of my all-time favorite pistols is the Sig P226, but these are made by Alloy Empire, and again, they're about half scale. They pretty much function like the real thing, except they don't shoot. So these do not fire. But check out the detail. I don't know if you can see on that one. Let's see. See right here, it says it's got the little 9mm para stamped. It's got all the markings. P226. Alloy Empire's got the branding on the grip. Sig Sauer Inc. New Hampshire, made in Germany. Pretty cool. But these are cool because you can cock them. It'll cycle around, and it'll eject. Cycle again, eject. When you pull the slide back, it actually cocks the hammer, and you pull it. Got rounds in the mag, so the mag release right here. And the inside is pretty much the same as the almost exact to the real thing. Let's see, let's take it apart. There's the inside. There's the... Oops. Just a heads up, be careful when you're taking these things apart too, because springs will go flying and you can end up losing them. Could probably pull that out, but yep. Put it back. Boom. So yeah, that's the Sig P226 miniature. Two different colors. Just a heads up. Again, if you see them and if you like the Sig, I would recommend you picking it up wherever you see it, because just in case they go extinct again. Anyways, so that's my video. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, then please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Give me a subscribe, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.